and welcome to Add More Zest. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I have some items that have been gifted to me to share with you from URBestDeals. Now, I will pop details down below for each of these, but I'm going to start with smaller ones because they're easier to move around, move out the way once they've been unboxed compared to the big ones. Sometimes you just have to do the little things that make your life easier. Oh, so we have a special diamond painting first. Wow, look at that. This one is a dragon. It's a 30 by 40 and it was the conversion to UK pounds, because it is a site that will do it in a few different, made this £3.88, but I thought he was fun. So let's have a look at what the actual size. Now, I'm not going by drill area because it is even smaller, but the actual printed area is 25 by just under 35, but if you sort of go by where you put the diamonds, it's about 21. So if you could find a frame that's about, you know, between 23 and 25 across, you'd be covered. And then that design area is just over 28. So if you could find something that was maybe between 31 and 34 in height, it would work well. What we have is all rhinestones with this one, or at least it looks like it. Yes, it's all rhinestones, but it's some gorgeous bright colours. So we have this big green one, which you only actually need 2 for his eyes, but you get more. And then we have the nostril, of which you only need 2, but you get 3. Did we get 4 of those? We did, but one of them doesn't have a foil backing, so really we got 3. And then look at those gorgeous colours. It's just a pop of rainbow, isn't it? A pop, pop, pop of rainbow. And then we get a toolkit with a boat, wax and pen. So that's number 1. I have like 0 sides to put anything on around me. Let's have a look at what we have for number 2. And I'm even forgetting what they are myself, because I ordered these a while ago. Is this a stairway? I think they call it ladder. And I got this thinking it would be a bit lighter. This definitely looks a lot darker than what I thought it was. Let me just click on the picture. Yeah, the picture is on the website seems to be a bit lighter than the actual diamond painting is. You can sort of make out what it is, but not wow with this one. I'm not major impressed. So that one is just under 25 by just under 34. And it has 18 colours. Now it does come with the MC numbers, but this is going to be a little bit, I mean, it may get better when it's actually done, but it does look like it's going to be a little bit of a disappointment. But you never know until it's completed. But we do have some nice colours, some blues, greens, and then a lot of it is actually, that's number 11, 939. Yeah, that's the symbol D. And then we do have quite a bit of number 8, which is 820. Maybe that'll lighten things up a little bit. But even next to 939, there's a difference, but not a huge one. But then we have got some gorgeous purples and stuff as well. And then we also have another blue. Maybe that's one where the symbols look darker than the actual painting's really going to be. Maybe. But the actual picture on the canvas does look a lot darker picture that they put down here does look a lot darker than it does on the web page. So I'm kind of hoping that the diamonds would lighten it up a bit. I guess time will tell. Let's have a look at number 3 and see if this one's a little bit more exciting. Oh, so this one is the wolf. Oh, he's more exciting already, isn't he? Look at that. That is nice. Okay, I like that one. You actually get two toolkits with this one. So it is only a basic one. We are a lot bigger, so let me turn it to do the tilt head, but a wolf breathing out. This one is down as a 40 by 80 and it is just over 35 by, see if I can get it to lay flat enough to run the tape measure and try and get a true size. Just under 34, sorry, 74. So, but that is gorgeous. See, now you can really see the colours in that one and the wolf, the way it shows the ear. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, let's have a look at the colours. Of course, it's curling itself back up. Do we have DMC numbers? We do. Companies are getting much better at that. But we have burgundy, blue, some pinks, lots of sort of beigey colours, lots of greys, which you'd expect. Quite a few different greys. Is that black? It's number 2. That's black. We have 5 packets of 310. And we have some green, a few more greens, which come in to, you know, help it look black and white. Browns. Trying to work out if that had a coating on it, but I think it's just the packet, not the diamonds. Yeah. And then greys and a little bit of white. So the black is mainly around here at the bottom, and it does get lighter the further up you go, but the charting on that looks really, really nice. I'm impressed with that one. How much was that one? That one, UK wise, worked out at £9.42. So we have wolf, and then we have the dark stairway, that hopefully would look a little bit better once it's done, and a bit of colour in a dragon. So I will pop links to all of these down below, but I think my favourite out of this one has got to be that wolf. He is just amazing. Gorgeous. Anyway, I'll stop drooling over the wolf. I keep looking up at the screen because, yeah, he does look like he's going to be a good one to do. He might have to go into my stash. Not, you know, not that I don't have plenty already, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.